Studies on the ecological purification system of straw sand filter in Nagano. This is the JICA training trip in the summer of 2008. We visited 5 water purification plants in Nagano and 1 floodplain of a river. We checked the algal flora using microscope. Raw water for Ojochi plant is a nutrient-poor water from a reservoir. On the sandbed, phytoplankton from a reservoir is accumulated, and there is some amount of dead phytoplankton. They treat to put algae into the reservoir. When algal bloom is seen in summer, this small waterworks in Suzaka City receives suspension-free subsurface water. This filter does not clog. At the foot of mountain, there is a reed plant where underground water leaks out. Porous pipes were set to the subsurface water, which is suspension-free water. At the bed, Filamentous algae of Melosira dominates for the year. In Weather City, a water reservoir was constructed in 1968. In 1974, odor problem was happened. They treated addition of algae at the water works at that time. In Weather City, water reservoir was constructed. In this water works at that time, they made mistake. They treated algae to the water works. These chemicals are toxic for algae, bacteria, and small animals. At the Ishibune waterworks, the dominant is filamentous diatom of Melosira, and second dominant is also filamentous diatom of Flagellaria. This is at the present time. They stop to the treated to the algae to the filter. At the Somaya waterworks, the dominant was also filamentous diatom of Melosira. Algal flora and the cell condition were checked. On the first day after scraping the surface of the surface sand, algal flora was almost the same of periphyton in a river, but most cells were empty condition. Dead cells in the sand layer may appear after the scraping. During the filter run, only the filamentous diatom grew fast, and it became active condition, and the other small diatom became healthy, little bit healthy. Development of algal flora was observed in June at the Somaya waterworks. At the beginning, same flora as the riverbed was remarkable. During the filter run, the filamentous diatom of Melosira is only dominated. In Weather City at the riverbed, filamentous diatom was seen in a spring. At the shore of riverbed, there is attached algae. In the floodplain, there is a spring. This water is a clear subsurface water, while surface water of the river is turbid water. I showed a simple model for the purification system, which is composed upflow gravel filter and straw sand filter using plastic buckets. Muddy matter on the gravel was observed by a microscope. It was filamentous diatom Melosira. Many small animals were also seen. On the riverbed, there are only tightly attached algae on the gravel. Mainly algae are mainly single cell of diatom, and there was some amount of dead algae. at the Koshigoe plant, they treat sometimes algicide and coagulant. Therefore, there is no active biological community in slow sand filter bed. Only the periphyton was accumulated from a river is observed. Dependent on the water source, there is poor nutrient or rich nutrient. Algae can grow well when there is some nutrient. Dominant algae are different at the different filters. Slow sand filter of ecological purification system is the suitable environment for filamentous algae, where the suitable place for the filamentous diatom in natural environment. This algae grow in clear suspended free water such as spring. Nutrient conditions may not essential for the growth. Even in cold winter, this diatom can grow. Impression of slow sand filter leads misunderstand to treat. Slow means gentle for organisms. Sand and gravel do not roll under higher current water. Many organisms can actively live in this condition. Sand is only the habitat for the organisms